In the contemporary world, technology is integral to almost every facet of human existence. Technology has completely changed how we live, from healthcare to entertainment, from communication to amusement. However, the way technology affects how we work and make money may be one of the biggest ways is reshaping our society. Technology is altering how people think about work and how they make money. This is shown in the emergence of the gig economy and the growing use of automation. This video will discuss how technology is changing how we work and make money, as well as the effects it has on people, companies, and society at large. Now let's get started and learn about the fascinating ways that technology is changing the chances for our jobs and income. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Artificial intelligence and automation's ascent. Thanks to technology, a number of tasks and processes have been automated, which has significantly changed how we function. With the advent of robots and advanced software, many manual labor have become obsolete, which has caused a shift in employment towards professions needing technological skills. Automation advances have a direct bearing on the use of artificial intelligence (AI) in the workplace. Artificial intelligence (AI) can do tasks that would need human cognition, such as data processing, customer service, and even decision-making. As a result, new industries and occupations have developed, such as data scientists, AI engineers, and robotics technicians. AI has also made it easier for companies to automate a range of repetitive and administrative tasks, allowing employees to focus on more complex and creative work. However, concerns about the future of work and the potential replacement of human labor have also been raised by the rise of AI and automation. A new McKinsey & Company analysis suggests that by 2030, automation might cause the loss of up to 800 million jobs. This has led to discussions regarding the need of retraining programs and the potential implementation of universal basic income, UBI, to support individuals who may lose their jobs due to technological advancements. Transition to remote and digital work. Technological advancements have made it possible for individuals to work remotely and for corporations to conduct digital operations. Thanks to the widespread availability of cloud-based technology and high-speed internet, workers may now work remotely from anywhere in the world, which has sparked a trend toward remote and digital work. Working remotely has several benefits for both companies and employees. Because of its flexibility, better work-life balance, and ability to eliminate commutes, employee productivity increases. It reduces office expenses, boosts employee retention rates, and provides companies with access to a wider pool of talent. In addition, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has expedited the adoption of remote work practices. In the face of social distancing measures, many firms have had to quickly adapt to remote work in order to preserve corporate continuity. Because of this, working remotely is now considered a viable option, and it most likely will remain so long after the pandemic has passed. Freelancing and the gig economy. Technology has also had a big impact on the growth of the gig economy and freelancing. The term gig economy refers to a labor market where the majority of jobs are temporary, freelancing contracts rather than permanent jobs. The emergence of internet marketplaces such as Upwork, Uber, and Airbnb has made it easier for individuals to offer their skills and services on a freelance basis, giving rise to the gig economy. Employees who freelance or work on many projects at once may enjoy numerous additional benefits from the gig economy, including scheduling independence. By enabling the free contracting of specialized skills and removing the need to hire full-time employees, it helps firms save money. However, the popularity of freelancing has also raised concerns about fair pay, benefits, and job security. The need for laws and policies to protect the rights of gig workers is growing as more people choose to work for themselves. Enhanced cooperation and exchange of information. Thanks to technology, cooperation and communication at work have greatly grown. Employees may now use tools like email, instant messaging, and video conferencing to connect with partners, clients, and colleagues from anywhere in the world. Moreover, cloud-based tools and project management software have made it easier for teams to work together on projects. Processes for making decisions have improved, which has increased output and efficiency. New industries emergence. Technology has not only given rise to new industries and enterprises, but it has also created an abundance of job opportunities. For example, as e-commerce has grown, so has the need for people with expertise in digital marketing, supply chain research, and e-commerce management. Social media makes it feasible for individuals to pursue a profession in influencer marketing, which enables them to promote products and services on their social media accounts. Additionally, employment needing both traditional and technological know-how are developing as a result of the increasing use of technology in industries such as healthcare, education, and finance. People with experience in coding, data analysis, and digital marketing are thus in more demand. Getting into freelance markets. Thanks to the internet, people may now more readily offer and sell their skills and services online. Thanks to websites like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Freelancer, people may now work from home and offer their abilities to a global market. These platforms provide individuals a place to market their skills and offerings, interact with potential clients, and be compensated for their work. This has given people additional ways to generate money, especially in developing countries where there may not be as many opportunities for traditional employment. Enhanced rapidity and effectiveness. Thanks to technology, work processes are now quicker and more effective. Tasks that formerly required physical effort may now be completed in a considerably shorter period of time because of automation and technology. Consequently, companies are now able to manage greater workloads and are more productive. In the workplace, technology has also improved accuracy and efficiency. For example, the use of data analytics and AI has made large data analysis easier and resulted in more accurate projections and decisions. Effects on conventional job models. New business strategies and technology have brought about substantial changes to traditional work structures. As remote work and freelancing grow more popular, people need to be more adaptable in their skill set and able to function in a range of work environments. As a result, individuals are beginning to value skills and production more than office hours and to place less importance on 9-to-5 jobs. In addition, the need for continuous education and upskilling to be competitive in the job market is growing as new technologies and industries emerge. Because of this, online learning platforms have grown in popularity, enabling individuals to advance in their jobs and pick up new skills. Conclusion. The way we work and make money has changed significantly as a result of technology. Technology has completely changed the way that people work today. From the gig economy and remote work to task automation, technology has changed how people work. Additionally, it has given people the chance to establish new revenue streams via a variety of online markets and platforms. But there are drawbacks to this quick technological progress as well, such lost jobs and the need to upskill and adapt to new platforms. It's critical to consider the consequences of technology as we continue to embrace and use it in the workplace, and to figure out how to use it in a manner that helps people and society at large. Technology is always changing, so there will undoubtedly be more chances and changes in the workplace and in how people might make money in the future. It is our responsibility to adapt to these developments and make the most of technology while being aware of its possible negative effects. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.